Well, hey everybody, this is Josett. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you real quick about the new Bank of America program that they just released just this past week. I think it was on the 30th. They just released a press release about a new program that they were doing specifically to help more minorities become homeowners in specific areas. I will tell you what areas these are currently available in as we continue this video. But before we jump right into that, my name is Josette. I am a local real estate agent in Tampa, Florida. I love turning renters into homeowners. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that. Hit the notification bell so that you can be one of the first people to know every time your girl upload a new video. So go ahead and do that. Hit that bell and hit that subscribe button so you know every time I upload new videos. So let's jump into this new program that Bank of America just released. So the program is called the Community Affordable Loan Solution, and it is available in certain cities targeting specific communities and neighborhoods. That is including Black and or Hispanic or Latino neighborhoods, right? So this is not all over the United States of America. Every Bank of America is not doing it. That is in specific areas that they are targeting to help minorities, as they say, become homeowners. And these are the specific areas that they are currently doing the. But if you're in Charlotte, North Carolina, Dallas, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Los Angeles, California, and Miami, Florida. Again, Charlotte, North Carolina, Dallas, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Los Angeles, California, and Miami, Florida. If you are in these cities, you might want to check with your Bank of America, wherever that branch is. Check with your Bank of America branch to see if they actually carry that program for whatever neighborhood or community that you want to buy in. Again, this is a community program. So that means they're targeting communities and neighborhoods, not whole cities. So you do want to be paying special attention to that to make sure that before, you just jump on and say, oh, this is, you make sure you have your information right and to make sure that they're actually carrying it in your community because it's going to be based on location. It's real estate. Of course, it's going to be location, 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 location. So if you fall in any of these categories, if you are a minority and you're living in the specific neighborhoods or communities or location where this program is actually available, I think it would be a great idea for you to look into it. Now, here are some of the requirements of this program. Now, it is not based on it's not based on your credit score. So there are no specific credit score required, but they are going to check into your credit, even though they say there's no credit score required. They are going to look at your debt history. They are going to look at how you pay your bills. If you paid your bills on time, they're going to look at how you make your car payment, your rent, utilities, all of that good stuff. So you do want to be paying attention to that. It is a loan that is no closing costs, no down payment, and no PMI, but it is based on income and location. Again, I said that before. Even though it says Detroit, Michigan, does not mean that is all of Detroit. It's location, location, location. So the eligibility is going to be based on income and location. There's no minimum credit score, and mortgage insurance, again, is not required. So that's good news. I want you to understand that you don't have to be Black or Hispanic or Latino to qualify for the loan. but you must complete a home buyer certification course that is provided by a housing counseling partner that is approved by Bank of America and the Department of Housing and Urban Development. Again, please make sure that you do your research before you apply for this program. Be aware that housing counseling is mandatory, so you have to take the class. I know classes are usually 8 hours. I'm not sure what their time frame is. They're gonna have their own rules and they're gonna have their own regulations. So if you want to be part of that, you have to follow the rules, and that is part of the rules. You have to complete house education. You've got to complete it. Make sure you do your research. Again, it is not in every city. It's just the 5 cities that we mentioned before. That's where they're located. And again, they're not even all over the city. They are specifics to neighborhoods and communities. So it's not just because you're Black or you're Hispanic or Latino doesn't mean you automatically qualify for it. Again, it is income and location based. So please pay attention to that. The program is in addition to Bank of America's existing $15 billion community home ownership commitment to offer affordable mortgages, industry leading grants, and educational opportunities to help 60,000 individuals and families purchase affordable homes by 2025. Is that you? You looking for a new home? You want to check it out. Bank of America has a 26-year relationship with the Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America, better known as NACA, through which the bank has committed to providing $15 billion in mortgages to low to moderate income home buyers through May of 2027. And they are making this loan available to minorities. Again, you do not have to be Black or Hispanic or Latino to qualify. This loan is actually based on income and location, again, to the 5 cities that were previously mentioned. And so the main requirement of that is you have to have home buyer education. That is required. And you have to, even if it's not based on your credit score, they will still check your credit, mainly focusing on your debt to income ratio and how lendable you are, how well you pay your bills. They will be looking into that. And the down payment is going to be coming as a second loan. A second silent loan that will cover your closing costs, making your loan 100%. And there is again zero closing costs and no PMI. So if you live in any of these areas that were previously mentioned, and you feel like you live in a community or a neighborhood where that might be a program that could be utilized, you want to check in with your Bank of America branch wherever you are to see if they actually offer that program. If they do not offer that specific program in your area or location, I want you to know that Bank of America also carries a variety of other programs that you may be qualified for. So check into some of the programs they have. They're connected again with NACA, and most of the all of the NACA loans are done through Bank of America. So if you are not qualified for this specific loan, I am sure that there are some other things or some other products, loan products, that you might be qualified for. So check into that and see where you fall in that category and how you can best utilize whichever program best fits you to help you with your dream of a home ownership. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was short, but I wanted to bring this out as this just came out just recently and it was fresh on people's minds. So I just kind of wanted to touch on it real quick. If you need any more information about that specific loan, I will be attaching a link in the description to the Bank of America website so you can go in there and check out the information for yourself. Again, this is Josett with Homebuyer Real Estate. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and do that. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video.